Hello friends, welcome to Thursday's video. I am excited to try this. We all know that you can multi-pour a mold in layers this way, you know, horizontal like. I'm curious if I can do it vertical like. So what I'm gonna do is stop starting videos before I've gotten everything that I need for it ready. I'm gonna use some of the Resiners tape, and I want to tape off half of this. Okay, so like, let me scoot you back a little bit. So like half of this will be taped off, right? Hopefully. This is an experiment. Hopefully it'll work. And then, so that way I can lay it on its side and fill the half, right? So the tape will hopefully keep it from pouring out. We'll see. I am going to take extra special care to tape it down, like with a lot of tape, maybe even some painter's tape. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. I just really want to try this. And one of my coworkers is a huge fan of the Chicago Bulls. So I want to do half black, half red skull. I think that he would really enjoy that. Hopefully it works. Like I said, it's an experiment to see. If it'll work, I don't know. I'm almost thinking that maybe I should do like a hot glue or something around the edge, as well as the tape. I don't know. I'm gonna squirrel around with it a bit and figure it out, and then while I'm figuring that out, I'll get my resin warmed up and mixed up, and we will start to pour, I guess. I'm gonna start with red, the red half. So, yeah. All right. Well, wish me luck. I guess if you saw it in the thumbnail, it means it maybe worked. Hopefully. All right. Let's get started. Alright, y'all. Whack, whack. That was a big old fail. That did literally nothing. It did nothing. So, and this tape, does literally nothing. It does not even attempt to stick. Painter's tape does nothing. So, that being said, I'm going to go back to the drawing board on this idea. However, I will still do a halvesy pour today. And I was looking at it, right? And I think I can do something like this to where it's kind of diagonal. I don't know. Maybe I'll just do red at the top, black at the bottom, and that'll be it. Maybe I'll just do that. I should probably turn off my hot glue gun because it's just pushing out a bunch of hot glue strings. Anyway, that's the disappointment. If you guys, because you guys are a hell of a lot smarter than me most days, just not on Wednesdays. That was a joke. A very bad one. Yeah, if you guys know of a way to do what I'm trying to do, please let me know. Please hit a girl up. Let me know, bestie, okay? Alright, so back to the drawing board. I think I'm just gonna, just toss all of that, because that's great. Yeah, I'm just gonna do like a half and half pour. That's what I'm gonna do. Super boring, I know. I apologize, but it is what it is, and we get what we get, and we don't throw a fit, right? Yeah. So hopefully it won't be a complete fail. I don't know. We'll see. Hang tight. Alright friends, let's demold. Obviously I'm super disappointed about not being able to figure out a way to do a vertical pour or horizontal pour, depending on which way you orientate it. All right, let me get this back into shape. There you go. It is indeed a red and black skull. I mean, there's nothing super special about it. I wish that I had been able to, you know, pour it like that. Again, as I said in my little cutscene, if you guys have any ideas on how to do that, let me know, please, because I would love to be able to do it. But I hope my coworker likes it. I think it turned out just as expected. Yeah. Anyway, that's today's video. Sorry it's kind of lame. My coworker won't think it's lame, but I do. Anyway, that's today's video. If you enjoyed it, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. Really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.